Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we would be painting a very simple and easy quick sunset painting. The whole of the area is divided into 60%, which is my sky area, and 40%, which is the water area, or else you can even divide it into 55 and 45%. You have to then make a sun with the help of a coin and just mask it. Even you need to apply the masking fluid towards the bottom area where there will be reflection of the sun. I am using my vermilion and a mix of my orange. You can go for any orange that is available with you. I am going ahead with my cadmium orange and some of my vermilion hue along with it. Once you have applied the vermilion, then go ahead with some red violet. After applying the red violet, we will go ahead with some violet colors. Most of the colors that I'm using right now are from the warm family, which makes the painting look really vibrant and beautiful. The dark value of my violet I am applying towards the horizon line because that is where I want to paint one of my small hills, which will show the horizon in a better way. Once your paper is dry, go ahead and start adding the hill area. I will go ahead and blend my colors once more with the help of my flat brush. Flat brush really helps in good blending of the colors. I have been using this Escoda flat brush 3x4 inch for quite some time and I'm pretty happy with the results. I am picking up some of my bright purple color on the brush and then applying it. Along with it, I am even adding some of the colors like opera and vermilion as well as orange colors. The color of the sky will get reflected on the water. That's how we are going to paint this particular water. There is very less movement in the water, which makes it look very standstill. If it is standstill, usually whatever be the sky will exactly get reflected in the water. Use your silver black velvet size 4 brush to add the hill area. I am picking up some of my purple and then adding on to the hills. You can go ahead and use the same color, or else you can even use a dark brown color to add it. I usually try to go with a limited palette, which makes it easy for me to work with the colors. Limited palette means we are going to use only a few colors, that is 3 to 4 maximum, and we will be producing a painting with it. I would be using the tip of my flat brush to go ahead and clean up some of the spaces onto the water area. This you can do only when your paper is wet. If your paper has already dried up, you will not be in a position to do this. Go ahead and add some more darker values near the hill area, and I am adding it towards the horizon. Once I've added it, I would blend some of the areas which is there in the water. Since the blending was not perfect, hence I went ahead and added some of the damp brush technique. You can also use any of your damp brush to do this. Once the paper is dried up, you can see the colors did go one shade lighter than what we did apply. So I am again going ahead and applying some more darker value to show the horizon line in a better way. I will now like to show some of the land area, and this land area is exactly with the help of my round brush size 4. I would be showing it. It would be in a very simple way that we would be adding this area. Go ahead with any of your darker values like Payne's Gray or your dark purple and then add it. I'm using my Payne's Gray. If you do not have Payne's Gray, you can also go ahead with any of the black color or any of the other darker values like dark brown, Van Dyke brown, anything that is available. I always love to come up with simple tutorials on my YouTube channel because that really gives a lot of confidence to the beginners who are starting out on their journey about how to approach a particular subject. One most important aspect of watercolor is to have good paper, and I usually use about 300 GSM or more. If I'm using Arches paper, it's 300 GSM. If any other paper, I go for 440 GSM or 620 GSM. Anything that I get which is higher than my 300 GSM. I live usually in the northern side of India, which gives me a lot of heat during the summer season. That's one of the reason the paper is not wet for a longer period of time. Hence, it is important to keep the paper wet. As well as to keep the paper wet for longer period, you need to invest on good paper. You can also go for Chitrapat paper, because Chitrapat paper is a handmade paper and it comes for pretty less amount in terms of the money that you have to spend, and it is a good paper. If you want to try out, go for a 440 GSM. You will get great results with that. Go ahead and add some birds onto the water area. I would be adding some cranes. 2 or 3 migratory birds is also fine. I can just say that they will be in different shapes and sizes when you start adding it. This is a 2x video, as I did tell you initially only. I give my real-time videos on Skillshare as well as on Patreon. Patreon is one of the channels where I have started out with most of the intermediate level work, and if you are an intermediate artist and still struggling to get the best outcome, I think that is where you can join in and see what subjects we are exploring. Every week I come up with a new video on Patreon, so one of the videos for this week will be on sunsets, as I am doing a sunset series even on Skillshare. I would be coming up with this sunset series, as well as there's a sunset on Patreon. Depending on the people who join in, I keep the sunsets differently. Whatever is available on YouTube is not exactly available on Skillshare or even on Patreon. All the content that you get on YouTube is different than your Patreon and Skillshare. Hence, I think it would be good if you want to actually have a look at any of these channels. Go ahead and start adding some of the yellow color for your sun. First, remove the masking fluid which we did add earlier, and now I would be adding some of the yellow color even on the masking area for the water. Once done, have a final look at your painting. If you like this particular painting, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and leave a feedback in the comment section.